I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to your Uber account is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access payment settings. Tap on the menu icon in the top left corner, then select wallet or payment from the list. Step 3. Add payment method. Look for an option that says add payment method or add credit card. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter card details. Fill in your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your details, tap Save or Done to finalize the addition of your credit card. You should see a confirmation message once it's successful. Sometimes, if your card is not accepted, it could be due to restrictions from your bank. Double check with your bank if you encounter issues. Now you're all set to use your credit card for rides. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy riding!